Hello everyone! In this video I'll be answering the question, what is required of an owner-operator, Bailor and driver Bailee in the event of an incident? Make no admission of liability to any party. As soon as practicable, verbally notify the owner-operator or driver of the circumstances of the incident. As soon as practicable, give the owner-operator, driver, a written report of the incident, including, if known, particulars of any party involved in the incident. If the incident involves a collision with another vehicle driven by a person other than the registered operator of the vehicle, include these details also. Any witnesses, any injury suffered by a party involved in the incident, any damage to or loss of property arising out of the incident. Within 48 hours, give details to the operator of the following: a copy of any statement made by the driver to police concerning the incident, any document posted, delivered or served on the driver by or on behalf of any party making a claim against the driver or operator in respect to the incident. In respect of the incident to which the insurances set out in this agreement refer, the operator shall be responsible for responding to all communications from any party making a claim against the driver or the operator in respect of the relevant incident. The operator indemnifies the driver in respect of liability for damage to the general service, booked hire, hire car and limousine vehicle, and property damage that they may, general service, hire car, booked hire and limousine vehicle, cause arising out of the authorised use of the general service, booked hire, hire car and limousine vehicle by the driver. This indemnity does not apply to the extent that the damage resulted from or was occasioned by the driver's willful misconduct, willful act or omission, or willful breach of this agreement. Subject to the above clause, this agreement indemnifies the other party against all liabilities, losses, expenses and costs that the other party sustains or incurs as a result of any material breach of this agreement by either party, or any negligent act, omission or any misconduct by either party. In case of incident, this is a checklist for things you need to do. Ensure you have driver details, vehicle details, operator details, date and time of the incident, booking details, location, nature of assistance required, if any, for example, ambulance, police, mechanics, tow trucks, the nature and extent of damage to the vehicle, number of people involved in the incident, number of people injured or killed as a result of the incident, any alternate arrangements made such as local taxis, any witnesses, and contact incident manager. To learn more about the agreement, please continue to our next video and thank you for watching.